This is my 30 plus node multi-vendor lab. It's complex and things might go wrong and break. So instead of watching it and troubleshooting myself, I built an AI to do that for me.
To achieve this, I'm going to be using n8n for the automation. So right here, we have the Telegram trigger. And just send a message to it on what I want that. So, and right here, we have the AI agent. So here it has the system message. This is how the AI is trained. This is how it is trained. And we have all the message right there. Then currently, I'm only monitoring 2 devices from the lab. And right here, this is the brain for the AI. For this, I'm using the Google Gemini Pro 2.5 Pro. And it also has the simple memory to retain context from previous conversations. We have the CLI tool, which I use for the SSH and the output parser. And now, if it needs an approval, it sends me a message on Telegram that I approve it. Let's to execute the command that would affect the system or change the system. For diagnostics command, no need. And right here, we have other type of messages that can be sent depending on the scenario. Okay, enough of the long stories. Let's see how this works. I come on Telegram and I say, please monitor my network, and I hit send. Going back to the n8n, we can see it is working. The AI agent is asking the brain some things and also running some commands in CLI. So we can see it's one ping to the 2 devices, and we can see that was successful. And it just regards us that the workflow is complete. And going back to Telegram, we can see the time successful. Now we can automate this such that triggers every day, but some number of times a day. It's not only via Telegram. So now I want to go into the router one and do some misconfiguration. So going into the interface facing router 2, just a quick show run. So we see the configuration there. I can see it's using ISIS for the under day. So now we are going to remove the ISIS. So with that, communication to router 2, the back interface, which is the management interface, supposed to stop. Now I'm back to Telegram and I'm like, please check my network kicking. And after executing that, going back to n8n, we can see the workflow running again. And checking the CNI, we can see there is a ping to router 1 and router 2. This is taking some time, maybe because one is not responding with the appropriate things. Everyone is timing out. So from here, you can see router 1 is replying. Router 1 is replying on 0% packets loss, while router 2 is not replying, and we have 100% packets loss. Now we see the output. It needs to check router 1 for more diagnosis. Right here, we have an SSH into router 1 with the appropriate commands to send, and we can see the outputs here, the running configuration, the ISIS neighbors. After doing that, it decides based on that output. And I just received a message on Telegram now, and it's telling me I have identified a missing ISS configuration on router 1 that is causing the outage for router 2. This review and approve the proposed command to fix the issue. So I check it and see this looks fine, and I approve that. After approving, going back to n8n, we can see the CLI tool is doing some stuff. And going back to router 1, you can see a remote configuration by this user. And that brings our network back to normal. So this is the future of network operations, and AI can handle the firefights, and I just focus on the architecture and maybe decisions. So this lab is now self-healing.